I've come out this evening to check out my GoPro footage I haven't used in what seems like years, and I've come down to the area where I usually take photos of sunsets. So I'll do a quick turn because I'm just about to lose the sun now over my shoulder over here. And I took a couple of photos the other week of a tree that had been cut down. There was nothing wrong with it. It wasn't dead, it wasn't dying, but somebody felt the need for it to be felled. Again, you can probably see the kind of remains of it just there at the back. But I would normally be taking photos of this sunset this time of night, but